Hello all and welcome back to the channel. This is Ketul Patel and in this video we are going to solve the Rockstar game library service error. So let's start the video without wasting time. So when you launch the Rockstar game launcher, then you might get this error. It says that failed to connect to Rockstar game library service. So to solve this error, first click OK, then go here and click and write service. So you need to go to the services tab over here. Now here you need to find the Rockstar game library service. So you can see that this is the Rockstar game library service and it says that it is disabled. So you need to right click on this, go to properties, and here you need to select manual, apply, OK. Now just right click and start. So you can see that the service is running. Now when you will launch the Rockstar game launcher, the error should be gone. So let's see that if the error is gone or not. So you can see that the Rockstar game launcher has successfully started without any error. So this was how you can solve that Rockstar game service error. If you are getting an error again, you can just comment down below. And if you like the video, press like button, subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more of the videos. Thank you for watching.